This is insane! Earn dollars every day! Greetings, viewers. Welcome to Finance Director. We have a fascinating topic to discover in today's episode. We're about to delve into the world of daily income. So be ready to be astounded. Yes, you heard correctly. There may be a way to constantly make money, as we explore numerous strategies that can assist you in making this dream a reality. Buckle up and get ready for some mind-blowing discoveries. These techniques will help you find opportunities to make money every day, whether you're looking for a part-time job or a full-time position. Let's begin immediately. Online freelancing and remote work are two of the most well-liked and convenient ways to make money every day. Our working environment has changed because of the digital age, which has created innumerable chances for people to market their abilities and services to clients all over the world. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr have transformed the freelance market by bringing together freelancers and clients looking for specialized knowledge. These platforms offer a thriving market where you can find jobs and make a steady income, regardless of what valuable skills you have, such as those of a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or translator. The independence that internet freelancing provides is what makes it so attractive. You can do business from the convenience of your home or from any location with an internet connection. You have the freedom to select the tasks that fit with your interests and skills, enabling you to forge a successful and lucrative career. It's essential to pinpoint your niche and present your abilities persuasively if you want to succeed in the realm of online freelancing. You may stand out to potential clients by developing a good portfolio that showcases your prior work and accomplishments. Positive customer feedback and ratings are very important for developing trust and gaining new business. Effective communication is one factor in the success of freelancing. You may establish a solid reputation and attract repeat business by thoroughly comprehending your clients' needs, swiftly responding to queries, and keeping lines of communication open throughout the project. You can gradually raise your fees as you develop expertise and receive favorable comments to guarantee a bigger income each project. It's also important to note that freelancing gives you the chance to diversify your sources of income. You can work with numerous clients at once to spread out your workload and reduce the risk of becoming dependent on a single customer or project. Long-term client connections may result in ongoing work, which will bring money into your account on a regular basis. The final factor in the success of freelancing is networking. Access to new possibilities, partnerships, and mentorship can be gained by participating in professional networks, going to industry events, and networking with other independent contractors. By commercializing your skills through online courses and coaching, you have yet another interesting way to make money every day. Why not teach others about your specific knowledge or talents in each sector while also getting paid for it? Making and selling online courses is now simpler than ever, thanks to the growth of online learning platforms. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera offer a worldwide marketplace where you can design in-depth courses and connect with a large audience of curious learners. You may turn your knowledge into a useful learning experience by developing an online course. To aid students in effectively understanding the information, you can develop video lessons, organize course materials, and administer exams or homework. Finding a niche that fits your area of expertise and is in demand in the industry is crucial when choosing the course topic. You might find openings and gaps for your special offering by conducting market research and examining current courses. After your course has been created, you can decide on an enrollment fee. Consider elements like the breadth of the content, the value it offers students, and the cost of competing courses on the market. Don't forget that providing discounts or promotional deals can draw new customers, enhance your reputation, and generate goodwill. The success of your online course is greatly influenced by your marketing efforts. Use a variety of platforms to spread the word about your course, including social media, email marketing, and partnerships with influencers or subject matter experts. Promote testimonials or success stories from previous students while engaging learners with useful content. Additionally, consider providing private coaching or consulting services. A lot of people are eager to spend money on individualized mentoring and coaching. One-on-one sessions can offer a premium product and bring in a sizable income, whether your area of expertise is in business coaching, fitness training, career counseling, or another. Your coaching and course businesses will be considerably improved by developing your personal brand as a subject matter expert. Create material, publish articles or blog entries, and speak at industry events to position yourself as a thought leader. Your earning potential will rise because of this credibility, which will draw additional customers and students. Building an online presence has become a great strategy to make money every day in the current digital age. Leveraging the power of the internet can result in interesting potential for revenue, regardless of whether you're a content provider, influencer, or social media enthusiast. The way content is consumed and shared has been transformed by websites like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch. They provide several ways to make money, including advertising, business partnerships, sponsored content, and even cash from the fans themselves. You can develop a devoted following and make a consistent income if you have a talent for producing interesting and worthwhile content. Finding your specialty and consistently producing high-quality content are crucial. Whether your style is amusing vlogs, educational tutorials, insightful conversations, or fascinating narrative, you must adhere to certain platform standards to start making money from your online presence. For instance, to receive ad money from YouTube, you must meet minimum subscriber and view requirements. Similar to this, Instagram and TikTok frequently demand a specific number of followers and engagement metrics before presenting chances for sponsored content. Ad revenue is a well-liked monetization strategy that lets you make money from the advertisements that are shown in your videos or on your website. Your potential for financial gain increases as your audience does. To keep the trust of your audience, it's crucial to find a balance between ad placement and upholding a great user experience. Another way to make money is through sponsored content and brand collaborations. Brands may approach you as your online presence grows to promote their goods or services. To retain authenticity, it's critical to choose alliances that reflect your ideals and appeal to your audience. Additionally, think about varying the sources of your income by producing physical or digital goods. Selling stuff like t-shirts, hats, or unique merchandise can be lucrative if you have a large following. Digital goods like ebooks, online classes, or premium content can potentially generate a sizable income. Affiliate marketing is another option to monetize your online presence. You can make money by working with companies to promote their goods or services using special affiliate links, and you can get paid for each sale that results from your recommendation. To keep your audience's trust, you must be honest about your affiliate partnerships. For long-term success in making money from your internet presence, developing a strong personal brand is essential. It is easier to build a recognizable brand that connects with your audience when your messaging, visual identity, and content style are all consistent. Engaging with your audience, answering comments, and holding live sessions can encourage loyalty and a sense of community. Passive income streams and investments may be the solution if you're seeking a more hands-off way to make money every day. You can make a steady income while you sleep by using your money and resources effectively. Real estate investments are one well-liked strategy. Real estate can offer a consistent stream of rental income, as well as potential gain over time, whether it's through rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Dividend stocks are a further source of passive income. You can regularly receive dividends by making investments in businesses that transfer a percentage of their profits to shareholders. Additionally, think about producing digital goods like royalty-free music, stock photos, or ebooks. If there is a demand, these things can be produced and sold repeatedly, generating passive revenue. There you go, everyone. A realistic goal is to make money every day. You can make this ambition a reality by using the power of the internet, freelance opportunities, online courses, establishing an online presence, and investigating passive income streams. Keep in mind that success requires commitment, effort, and a willingness to try new things. Why then wait? Start putting these techniques into practice. Act and start making money every day. We appreciate your participation as Finance Director. Don't forget to hit the notification button, like, and subscribe to receive updates on our newest episodes. Keep inspired, keep on task, and may your internet endeavors bring you the monetary success you so well deserve. Until next time.